You're gonna get your face painted.
Beer and the game is on. You're beating me. Freaking Drew Brees is like 24 points.
Are you ready?
Points.
Here we go. Whee! Oh, you're doing so good. Oh, very good. Oh, we're almost done.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
It's
can
okay.
we do the last wing? Is that okay? What do you think? Can I put one more wing on there?
Yeah, it's okay.
Does it feel kind of funny? Does it feel a little silly? Oh, there we go. Oh, we got it. Oh, are you a butterfly on your face? What do you have on your face?
Okay.
Oh, how
Thank you. Say thank you.
Do you want some sparkles?
Yeah, let's put some sparkles on it.
Look. Should we put some sparkles on it? What do you think? Sparkle. 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 Oh, there we go. Do you want some sparkles on your hands? Look. You can put some on your hands. Oh, isn't it pretty? Huh?
Do you like it? Do you like it, Kaya? You want to see the mirror?
Do you want to look in the mirror?
Look in the mirror.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yay, say thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, say thank you.